Say, who's polluting the water and why are the clouds evaporating it, making the rain toxic?
It's no secret that who made the rain all toxic is none other than the various president of America, Ronald Clinton.
That's sad. Who would save us from this catastrophic rainfall?
Actually, it's pronounced catastrophic, you Canadian loser autistic. It might be you. Okay, kids, I go to www that make Ronald Clinton reduce toxic rain and make him bring back pronouns, queer beer, Californian feces, gender ambiguity, and rainbows.org to buy helpful things like a pencil, a backpack, and a chainsaw, all for $880 plus tax. Uh, uh,
All boy, my favorite seat. Uh-oh. Excuse me, do you mind?